In a city much like yours, there was a park that a grandfather and grandson used to visit daily. The grandfather noticed that his grandson was getting into fights every now and then. He decided to address this subtly. He told his grandson, "My son, there is a battle between two wolves inside all of us. One is evil. It is anger, jealousy, greed, and resentment, inferiority, lies, and ego. The other is good, joy, peace, love, hope, humility, kindness, empathy, and truth." The boy thought about it and asked, "Grandpa, which wolf wins?" The old man quietly said, "Well, it's the wolf you feed."